Hey guys, this is Ray Patch with Shoot Center. Today we're going to talk about our barricade pistol skills and drills.
In this class, you will learn how to effectively manipulate your pistol and engage a threat while remaining behind cover. We'll be using the standard VTAC barricade as our covered position, and you will take turns efficiently flowing from one position on the barricade to the next. Depending upon the shooting position, you must change your body position to have a more stable platform to take an accurate shot. And you'll learn which position is most comfortable for you at each shooting position by the end of this class.
See you on the range.
All right, we're rolling.